We're here checking bees. It's been a while since we've checked our bees out. We're gonna see what the hives look like, what they're building in there. I think this one's gonna be ready for a super. This one I'm not too sure about, but we have a super just in case it is ready. Let's start up this fire and start smoking them out. Yeah, it's good. It just needs to, it's not actually like, it's just burning the fuel that I've dropped in there. I need it to get burning, like actually burning the, check out my new J-hook bee tool. Forged that in the forge. It is a Damascus J-hook.
Mr. B, I'm gonna need you to come with me.
Made from ball bearings. I think this was 1/4-inch ball bearings, canister Damascus. This is its first use.
Really?
Yep, first use.
It's actually quite a warm fire.
Yeah, no, it's really hot on my hand. Pretty sure I'm singeing. Oh yeah, I got some singers. Do we have, there's nothing gonna be dry in here.
Yeah.
Like, it's kind of dry. Let's see if we can toss that in there a bit.
It's still like all cut from the last time that I cut.
No, I mowed that a few days before the rain came. We can get that smoke, those smoke pads lit, then we're good to go. Let's try it out. This is gonna give us some sort of smoke.
I hope.
All right. Sorry, bees.
Do you want me to lift this up?
Give them some puff puffs. Yep. Give it a puff puff. Yep. Pop it up.
Oh dear.
Yeah, this is I can tell these bees are ready for a, oh, get that earwig. Oh yeah, stupid earwigs are always trying to steal from my bees. Okay, can you get a pry in there and prop it and pop it out? You just kind of get it and twist. There you go. Okay, and I'll smoke. Oh, look at that. Those bees are ready. We'll take our Apivar strips out, but these bees are doing very good. Very good.
Oh, did you get a spoon?
No, I didn't get a spoon. All right, we're out of smoke. Peel up that Apivar. We got to get this smoke going again.
Excuse me. Mrs. Bees. Ah!
Don't shake like that. We don't want the
Wow.
Apivar to be on our honey. So we'll toss that back and get rid of it in the garbage.
They put their honey right where the Apivar was. There's gonna be Apivar in our honey.
Yeah, no, we don't eat any honey below this. We just eat the honey that's above this.
Can you eat that honey? That honey looks delicious. Oh, wait. This is genius. Oh, there's lots of bees. Hello. Ooh, look at that honey.
It's just dripping. They'll clean it all up, though.
I want to clean it up. I want honey. Especially bees.
Smoker is not. I freaking hate smokers. They're never work the way I want them to.
Never just look it off. Bees don't sting me. Oh, dang, that's a lot. Dude, this is stinging me.
Okay, J-hook me. I actually don't really care what they're doing in here. I want to know what's under here. You hold this.
Oh my.
Oh, that is a friggin' heavy.
Yeah, because there's lots of honey.
That is a heavy brood.
Yeah. Oh my goodness! They're doing so well.
Yeah, these.
Let's get that
Look at these
Apivar.
cells. Why the frick are there these cells up here? Yeah,
Oh, Dad!
it's all right.
Don't do that!
It's all right. They have. This is what happens when you do bees.
Dad!
Apivar strip, come out. They're interrupting them.
Yum, yum, yum.
Garbage.
Ah!
I do not do that.
It was on me. I'm very scared to get stung.
Yeah, don't be afraid to get stung.
Yeah, but they're a little bit
They
scared
have
when
every
they're
right
stung.
to sting us.
No, they don't.
We're stealing from them.
No, we aren't. We're checking on them. We're making sure that they're healthy.
It's true.
That
Oh, I got all this grass in here.
Oh. Some right there. You missed one.
Oh, Don, how'd you get that out? You guys are awesome. Oh, I love this J-hook. Look at that pry action.
It's
Look at this
beautiful.
pry action. Wow.
Lovely.
Oh my goodness, look at all that lovely brood.
Oh, that's so beautiful. Hi,
No
bees.
queen cells, no
No, nothing.
nothing. That is lovely. Yes? Yeah, the foxes are probably a bit too large for catching. Lovely brood in there.
Let's see if we can find the queen.
Okay.
Found her.
No, you did
No,
not.
I didn't.
No. That's just.
That's not the queen.
I don't think she's there. Holy smokeroonie.
I feel bad for those baby bees.
She's probably on this one.
Yeah, because that one has the most bees.
That's my guess.
Bee action.
Oh, J-hook. Pry action.
Beautiful.
Oh, that's beautifully done. Beautifully done. Let's do this
Another
without breaking
explosion
anything.
of bees.
Weird.
Those are big cells.
Those are weird cells. But I think it's because they're right up against the wood.
Yeah, probably. Please don't.
I don't know.
Ah! Please. Dad.
What?
The bees are gonna kill me. Have you ever gotten me tested for if I'm allergic to bees?
No.
Really? Because I know that Mom is.
Mom doesn't even know if she is.
It's a weird looking bee.
Yeah, these are some strange bees. I think some of them are drones.
Drones. Yeah, those are weird
Well,
cells.
I don't see Mrs. Queen on this one. She's pretty elusive, though.
Which means hard to find, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's try find her on the
I wonder
next
where the
one over.
drones are
Grab
in
that piece
the
of
hive.
wax that just bent over on the bottom. Yeah, right there.
I didn't grab it, but okay.
You
can
just needed to
hear
bend it
them.
over.
Oh, I want it.
Oh, J-hook action? Yes, please. J-hook action.
Wow.
Pries it up like nothing.
Ooh, look at
Those are
all
drones. Do you see those? They kind of protrude out a little bit.
this. Where?
Oh,
I found her. No, that's just a really big bee.
That's a big bee. It's probably a drone bee.
Why is it? No, that's a male.
Yeah, a drone. That's a big bee.
That's a male. He has bigger eyes than everybody.
That's how you can tell?
Yeah. Didn't you watch
Okay,
that
here,
show?
look at all the baby larvae in there. You see them?
Yeah.
I'm still looking for little specks.
Rabbit.
Fresh egg. Those are a few day old egg. Can you get in there and see with the camera?
Yeah, right there. Here's a good clump of them right there. There's little specks. Little babies. Oh, look at that. There's some old honey, I think.
No, this is fresh. This is a new tray.
Oh.
I put this tray in maybe 2-3 weeks ago, and they've already drawn it out this much. It's very good. Very well done. These bees are doing good. These bees are super good.
Yeah, I like these bees. Should we check the other one?
Well, I'm just checking. I gotta do one more tray over, and then we'll cap these guys.
I think that they're ready for a brood.
A super, you mean?
A super, yeah.
Yes, I think you're right.
Hi.
No, don't. Just
Don't
give them
sting.
a puff.
I wonder if they'll ever like fight each other. Because if one accidentally goes into the run, oh my gosh!
I don't know if
It's stuck in my hair.
Right, you totally just ran away, and that's not how you get. That's how you get stung, huh? That's pure honey.
Oh my! Dad, help!
Come back.
There's a bee in my hair!
Don't do anything. It'll find its way out.
I feel it!
Just leave it alone.
Ah! Dad!
Stop it. Come here.
Ah.
Stop touching it. It's not in there. I told you to put it in
It's
a pony.
right here.
Oh yeah, I can hear him.
Ah.
Briar. Don't do anything. Okay, come back over here. That was eventful.
Yep.
Oh no, we gotta do the super. Have fun with this, bumble little honeybees.
Oh, it's the dinosaur one. Oh, wrong way. You gotta flip it.
No, this is right.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yes, the bee. Do they all run this way, huh?
Oh.
Enjoy it. Enjoy it, bees.
You might not get another. I'm joking.
There's always more where that came from.
I wonder if anybody's ever put like 5 supers on. Hello.
Give him a puff puff.
Oh, the reflection. Okay.
Now this hive, I'm not super... Just film. This hive, I split this hive. This was a split hive last year. And so I'm not sure how well they've been doing. We will inspect. I'm definitely not gonna take one off of this year. Might not even take honey from them this year. Oh shoot, I took some trays up from the bottom. There we go.
Oh dear. Let's get this out of here for you. Oh dear. Ah. Let me grab this, please. Grab it. Wow.
Well, it's not ready for a super, that's for sure. But they have been doing really good drawing out. These are brand new. Didn't have, this is new comb, but they're doing really good
They are.
drawing that out. Let's go and check underneath. Let's check over here. Oh, there's something going on in here. Is this what happened when I twisted it? I lifted it off?
Yeah.
Oh, these trays are messed up.
Oh, Bee. There you go.
Honey.
Ooh, lovely.
Beautiful drawn out
Oh,
comb.
yeah, that's beautiful.
Beautifully done. This is drawn out comb too. It's not fresh. That's a dirty
Yeah,
tray.
that's dirty. That's beautiful.
I'm gonna flip that for them.
Yeah. Yeah, I would flip this next one right here.
Flip this one over too?
Yeah, this is new comb.
Give them the comb this way.
Yeah.
Okay, let's check them out. Let's check them out. See if she's laying. Well, there's baby
That's
larvae. Do you see up there?
Yeah.
Some larvae.
Look at that weird drone. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, just digging in.
Yeah.
I think that's a nurse bee.
Yeah.
Just checking on her babies.
This might be where she is, the queen.
Mm-hmm.
That bit.
I'm looking for her. She should be dropping eggs. I can't see
Yeah.
any babies though. Freshies. Oh yeah, there's a fresh dot. Right in the middle of the tray. There's some open holes.
Yeah. Oh, look at that! Look at that! One's coming out. Right there.
Oh yeah, look.
Oh, there's two.
There's three of them I see. Oh, that is awesome. They eat their way out, hey?
Yeah, let's watch them. I want to watch them. That's really cool. Oh, look at that weird cell.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. One's almost out.
Where?
Right there.
Right in the middle?
Yeah, the middle one.
Oh yeah, come on out.
Little bee. Oh, look at that one. It's almost coming out.
Well, I am inspecting most of these holes and they mostly all have little eggs in there.
Look!
He's got his head.
Come on, little bee.
Come on, come out.
Come on, little bee. Aw, they're so cute.
Yeah, they are.
They've almost made it out. They just need to climb out.
Oh, so close. His head almost came out.
Oh, I want their head to pop out again. That was really cute. can see that they're eating away at it really quite fast.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. One's just starting to eat its way through.
Oh, look at the head, Brian.
Oh, yes. Come on, little bee. Oh, he popped back down. Oh, the other one's starting to pop out.
Yeah, this is so cool.
Yeah, this is really cool. Oh, wait, look at that one. Right
That's a
there.
small bee. Probably a fresh one.
Yeah.
That bee's wings aren't even out.
Yeah. Where's the freshie? I want to see him.
I think that bottom one to your left is going to come out first.
Oh yeah, definitely.
If he dries, I think she'll come out.
Yeah, they're also quite white. Oh, look at that one! It's entirely in the comb. That's cute. Oh, look at its head.
Oh, you got it? It's coming out. It's out. It's out. Oh, cool.
Where is it? Oh, right
Yeah,
there.
right there.
Let's see if I can
And
find
now
it.
that's a brand new bee. That's
Yeah, right there.
got to go get the bee's
Right there. Aw,
message.
that's so cute.
That's actually really cute. I can't find the queen, but she's here. I know she is because I can tell by all of her eggs.
Yeah, there's lots.
Let's
of
put
them.
these back. That was a long time we had that tray
Yeah.
out.
Should I stop holding?
Now let's check this one.
Yeah.
Oops, I knocked a couple off there.
Oh dear.
Oh, she could be here.
Oh, she could definitely be here. Oh, wait, is that? No, that's not her. This could definitely be where the queen is.
I'm sure she's here somewhere.
Wait, is that her? No, that
No.
can't. No. The queen has a longer abdomen.
Yes.
I know that. Where is she?
I don't know.
Lots of these bees have long.
We've had it open for a while. Let's
abdomens.
close things up.
Yeah, I think they're starting to get a little bit mad at us.
Yeah.
Ooh! Lots of action over here.
That's the honey. They are sucking it up because I think they're moving it somewhere else.
Yeah. Alright, let's get this other one. Oh my, I'm sorry, little bees. Please don't get stuck in my hair again. Okay.
Oh, can I fit a brood in there?
I don't
I
know.
don't like that big brood.
Brand new stuff. Oh, come here, little bee.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Lovely. That's good. We need to go home and get back up to the, and get 10 in here too.
Yeah. Who's that fell?
Huh?
Who's that fell?
I don't know who that is. The girl at school.
What? Had wet little things. half fly.
Oh, that porpoise is so sticky.
Purples where?
It's just all over me.
I don't think that I have it. Yeah, I don't have it. Yeah, we need 2 more in there.
Got some rogue comb.
I'm gonna eat this. Because it's good to chew.
Okay, we need to go back home and get 2 more broods.
Okay.
You want to stay in and I go and do that? You want to stay here? I don't have a brood tray.
Okay.
Turn it off. All right, we got the new brood trays and they are brand new waxed plastic. We like that. Slide them in. I hope 2 fit there.
Oh, that's a black bee.
Yeah, that's a weird colored bee.
I don't think that's our bee.
Nice and snug.
Nice.
All right, they have a lot of work to do. Let's put the top on and we are gonna leave them alone for another long time. Just keep it inspecting. Okay, gonna grab the smoker. Let's go home.